Today I want to format my number as thousand or millions. How can we do it in Excel? First of all, it will be simpler if we already set the number format for currency we want. So we will have the currency sign we need. And then I can select all cells here, Control 1, accounting, and the most important thing, I have euro. So when I go to custom formats, somewhere here will be this sign. So I can select it, Control C, copy it, and because it's very complicated custom formatting here, I will delete all the signs here because I just want euro and in thousand, and I want my sign to be at the left side of the cell. So Control V, my euro sound, space, and then I want the number, so 0.00, and because I want my number in thousand, I will add here comma or other thousand separator. So in this regional settings it's comma, but in Poland it will be a space. Then I want a K letter as a thousand, so in double quotes I will write space and K and double quotes closing. We can see this K at the right side of the number, and now I can press OK, and now I have my values, numbers as thousand. But there is one modification I want, because I want my currency sign at the left corner, not just a bit to the left from the number, but on the left corner. So Control 1 again, and in this custom formatting, custom code for number formatting, I will just add asterisk before the space here, so before the number but behind the currency sign, and I can press OK, and now we have our number in thousand. Now I can format my numbers in millions, Control 1, because I already use formatting for thousand. I can go to customs, and at the bottom we could see our formatting in thousands, and I can just add a bit modification here. So I will just need one more comma, so we visually divide our number by million, so once for thousand and again for thousand, and because it's a million, so we will changing K to M, and we can press OK. So I see my number in thousands or millions, and the digits after the dot depending on the zeros I have written after the dot.